In this video I want to show you how we can use the ngClass directive to style elements in Angular. Let's start by typing in some HTML. Let's put in a section with a div and maybe an h2 tag. This might be the name, and we'll add a list with 4 items. So I already have some data to show. So I have a few values here: name, phone, email, age, and department. So what I will do is make an ng4 here with these values. So department, age, phone, and the email. And I'll make an ng4 here. So let item of data, let's output the values first. So if I say item dot name, the last value is email dot email. Save this and have a look. So we have all the values here. So I already have some styling for these elements. As you can see here, I'm using Flexbox for this. I won't go into detail about the styling. Let's get back to the content you're here for, the ngClass. So what I could do here is to add the class. So class card, save this. We have the styling. So what I want to show you is how you can use the ngClass now to style, for instance, the name. So what I can do here is just type in ngClass and the name of the class I want to use. In this case, I'm just going to use a class called red and save this. All the names are red now. And the next thing I want to show you is how you can use the ngClass to highlight a few of these boxes. So what I could do here is use ngClass here like this. ngClass equals, what I have is a class name highlight. If I wanted to add the highlight class only when the age is below 22, for instance, or under 22, this would do it. So add the highlight class to this if age is below 22, and if I'm going to show you, the highlight class basically just changes the background color and the color of the text. Let's try this. So as you can see, it only adds the highlight class to the boxes which has an age below 22. So Jack and Robert gets the highlight class. That's it, guys. I hope you found this useful. Consider giving a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.